Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and a SD card in your phone Vivo V21e. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone. And see here a hole. Insert SIM ejector tool in this hole. Otherwise, if you don't have any SIM ejector tool, if you have missed the SIM ejector tool, then you can use safety pin too. Here I will show how to use safety pin. Insert the safety pin into this hole. Here, insert and push down hardly into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. This is the SIM tray. Now you have to insert SIM in the front side of this tray. Here you can insert one SIM card. Insert in this position. You have inserted one SIM card. On the back side, you have two options. First option is to insert SIM card in this direction. Otherwise, you can insert one memory card. So here you can put either one SIM card or either one memory card. Here, first I will show how to put SIM card. You have to put SIM card in this position. Otherwise you can put one memory card in this position. Okay, so in this two way you can use SIM card and memory card. Here I am going to use only SIM card. So I put it like this in the front side and I put it like this in the back side. Now bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone. Insert the tray into your phone here, and the SIM will be detected in your phone. Just wait. Yes, two SIM cards are detected and they are showing now. Click OK. So in this way you can insert SIM cards and also memory card in your phone Vivo V21e. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.